I call this congressional hearing to order. Bring forth Mr. Francis Maroni and counsel.
Mr. Francis Maroni, alias Big Maroni, alias Maroni the Mug, alias Maroni the Mobster, alias Cheech Macaroni, alias Mascarpone, alias Buddy Bear. Mr. Maroni has stood trial for 1 count of murder in the first degree, 2 counts of murder in the second degree, 3 counts of murder in the first and second degrees, 4 counts of kidnapping, 12 counts of money laundering, 15 counts of overdue books at the city library, and 32 counts of aggravated assault.
Was he ever convicted?
Loitering. Ordered to pay $50 fine and court costs.
All right, let's get this hearing underway. Senator Brody.
Your name is Francis Maroni?
I refuse to answer the question on the grounds that I might incriminate myself.
Mr. Chairman.
We all know Mr. Maroni's name, so let's just get on with the hearing here.
Fine. Mr. Maroni, do you owe $50,000 or more to one person?
I refuse to answer the question on the grounds that I might incriminate myself.
Have you, Mr. Maroni, ever been audited by the Internal Revenue Service?
I refuse to answer the question on the grounds that I might incriminate myself.
Were you ever associated with Mr. Vincent Felucci?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I refuse to answer the question on the grounds that I might incriminate myself.
Mr. Maroni, do you understand that you are being directed to answer these questions?
I am rubber, you are glue. Whatever you say bounces off of me and sticks to you.
Did you make Sal Francisco Manali, under your direct orders, carry out numerous hits on the Franco crime family?
I don't make monkeys, I only train them.
You set yourself up for that one.
Mr. Maroni, have you always upheld the Constitution and laws of your state and nation?
Your mother.
Mr. Chairman, I move that this hearing regard Francis Maroni as a hostile witness.
I know you are, but what am I?
A hostile witness.
I know you are, but what am I?
A hostile witness.
I know you are, but what am I?
A hostile
Order! Order! If you don't start answering the questions, I am going to turn this hearing around and go home. And may I add, Mr. Maroni, that your behavior during this trial stinks.
He who smelt it, dealt it.
Oh, shut up! Does the senator have anything else to add to the hearing?
liar, liar, pants on